Most people start affiliate marketing because they see all of the money that you could make relatively quickly. They are sold on this dream where you could make 10K per month in as little as 3 months. And so they just jump right in and they make a lot of mistakes. So in this video, I'm going to reveal some of the worst strategies that I've seen and a few that I've actually done so that you don't make the same mistake. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which strategies to stay away from, which ones to avoid, so that you can actually start making money. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned, there are a number of mistakes that I and other affiliate marketers make when they first get into the game or into the business. And so you want to make sure that you aren't making these same mistakes, because you're going to wind up frustrated, you're going to wind up angry, you're going to wind up saying that affiliate marketing is a scam or making money online is a scam, when in reality, you got a bunch of bad advice. Now, the first one that I want you to stay away from is called spraying and praying. Now, I call it spraying and praying because it's when people grab their affiliate links from ClickBank or ClickFunnels, wherever it may be, and they just spray it everywhere. They see someone make a comment on a YouTube channel, boom, there's their affiliate link too. They jump in all of these different Facebook groups, boom, 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 more affiliate links all over the place. They are spraying and then praying that somebody's going to click on these links eventually, and then they'll actually earn a commission. When in reality, this rarely happens because you aren't providing additional value, you aren't solving a problem. And we can take a look at a Facebook group as an example of people that are just spraying and praying. They are hoping and praying that somewhere somebody will see this spam and click on it and buy. So I'm just going to type in affiliate marketing, the affiliate marketing Facebook group. Now there are tons of these groups out here. Now there's problems actually twofold. One, these groups usually aren't moderated very well, so they let the sprayers and prayers in. And two, there's a bunch of people that are just spraying and praying. So if we take a look at this group, it has 135,000 members. You are going to see two types of spraying and praying. One is this one where they're just spraying their affiliate link about Bitcoin. And then you're going to see a second one. So if you look at this repeatedly, the exact same post over and over again. So that's the first one. The second one is usually someone that's going to reply in the different posts about their opportunity. Usually it goes over to WhatsApp or something along those lines. But if we scroll through, I'm actually not seeing a lot of sprayers and prayers in the comment section, but you can see that this is the wrong way to go because you're not providing any value. You're not solving a problem. What I recommend that you do instead is actually go out and attempt to figure out what problems are. These people are in an affiliate marketing Facebook group. They want to learn about affiliate marketing. They want tips, tricks, and tactics that are actually working. Like, I'm not sure what this is and why that's helpful, but if we scroll long enough, we'll see a bunch of people spamming their affiliate links. But in general, figure out what the problem is. Maybe these people want to learn different tips, tricks, and tactics to actually make money with affiliate marketing. Maybe they want untapped traffic sources, or they just want a couple extra hints to get pushed over the top. This is the better way to do it, not to just spam your affiliate link. So please don't spray and pray. If you're doing it, it's a low, it's like shooting 8% from the free throw line. That's really bad. You want to make sure that you are actually providing value, you're actually solving problems. So that's number one. Number two is promoting to friends and family. Now, I made this mistake early on. I thought that I had this amazing, great product that I thought everyone should know about, and I would promote to my friends and family. I jump on Facebook and say, hey, look, check this out. If you want to make money online, if you want to quit your day job, go and check out this link. And in most instances, your friends and family aren't interested in making money online, or they aren't interested in the product because they aren't the target market. Now, if they come to you and say, hey, I want to learn how to build a website, and then you provide their link, that's how you can make money. But in most cases, your friends and family aren't going to be interested in the product or service that you're promoting, and that's okay. So don't promote to them. There are literally billions of people on the internet that are interested in everything. That's your target audience. We'll talk more about that in a second, but that is your area of opportunity. Don't waste your time promoting to your friends and family, because you're going to wind up frustrated. They're going to wind up frustrated, and they're actually going to think that you're promoting some sort of MLM, and that's the wrong way to go if you are into affiliate marketing. So stop promoting to friends and family. The next one that we have on the screen is poor or no keyword research. Just creating content for content's sake isn't usually the best way to go when it comes to making money online. Now, in most instances, I'll say a content creator is much better than a content consumer. But if we jump over to YouTube and we just type in something like how to build a website or how to build a blog, you're going to see that's A, insanely competitive, and B, the people that are creating this content are huge brands. And so if you, as a brand new affiliate marketer, you create how to build a website, the chances of you ranking for this and getting seen is extremely low. So what you want to do is make sure that you are doing keyword research and trying to find keywords that you can actually rank for. If we take a look at the screen here, top result, this person has 2.78 million subscribers, 1 million subscribers. This channel is much smaller at 88,000 subscribers. So if you were to just create content on how to build a website, it's going to be tough for you. But what you could do is how to build a website. If we hit the space bar, we could say how to build a website for your business. That's still going to be competitive, but that might be less competitive than what we saw. If we look, you can see there is less competition. So this is going to give you a better opportunity to rank. And this goes for blogging and or YouTube. You want to make sure that you are doing keyword research, and keyword research is simply just figuring out what your customers want to know and the questions that they're asking. And there are multiple ways that you can do keyword research. You can do the glossary method, which I talked about in a video a few days back. You can piggyback off of your competitors' websites or YouTube channels in this instance. And for example, let's say we consider this guy, we'll consider this guy to be our competitor, Wes McDowell. We can open this up and take a look at the videos that he's done for ideas and inspiration. Now, of course, we're not going to just directly copy and steal his content, but we're just looking at this for ideas and inspiration because we're targeting the same people. We can find videos that he's done, maybe improve them, use these for keyword opportunities. But this is much better than just going at it all willy-nilly. You want to make sure that you're doing keyword research, and watch the video that I did a couple days ago at this point that shows you the different ways to find keywords. Some of them are untapped. All right, so after poor keyword research or no keyword research is promoting links. Now, this is interesting. Think about this. Most people go out there and promote a link. For example, how to promote Bluehost affiliate links without a website. I created a video on this a few days ago. You can see people want to know how to promote affiliate links. You're not promoting affiliate links. You are a marketer who happens to be earning affiliate commissions, and you want to promote a solution. You want to provide a solution and solve problems. For example, with Bluehost, people want to build a website, or maybe they want to compare Bluehost versus GoDaddy or SiteGround, or they want an actual review. Don't think of your affiliate marketing business as you just promoting affiliate links. You're actually solving problems, you're answering questions, you're providing solutions to problems. When you think about it that way, that's going to help you create better content. It's going to help you put your mind inside. It's going to help you think like the consumer, and you're going to create the best content possible, and this in turn will help you make money. And again, this goes for anything. For the video that I created, how to promote affiliate links, I'm actually providing solutions instead of just saying, well, go here and do this, this, and this, because ultimately that's not going to work for everyone. But if I'm providing solutions, you can increase your opportunity to make money. So stop thinking about affiliate marketing as just promoting affiliate links, and think about it as providing solutions to problems. People are coming to the internet because they have questions, they're asking questions, and you're simply going to solve those questions. The next thing that I see that a lot of affiliate marketers doing, and this is mostly happening over on TikTok, is no originality. So if we jump on TikTok, and what I mean by this is somebody will see that a video has gone viral, and instead of trying to make a better video, they make the exact same video with the exact same colors and the exact same music. And this is an issue because you don't really differentiate yourself from anybody else. People will see that original video and then they're going to see that copy, and that doesn't help with trust or building a brand. So if we went over to, let's click on view profile, and I'm just going to type in affiliate marketing like this. And what you're going to see is you're going to see tons of the same videos. if we take a look at videos here, and some people are actually teaching this, go out and make a bunch of the same videos as everyone else. But if we take a look, you want to be original. You want to do things that are slightly outside of the box so that you can stand out. But if you have spent any time on TikTok, you're going to know that one person makes a video, it goes viral, and then you're going to see about 20 of the same videos with the exact same hashtags, the exact same everything. And that's not, in my opinion, that's not the best way to make money online. When McDonald's makes an interesting viral commercial, you don't see Burger King making the exact same commercial. You don't see Wendy's making the exact same commercial. They may make a better video, or they may make a commercial that is challenging the ideas of McDonald's, but they don't go out and make the exact same commercial with the exact same content. That would be frowned upon in the business world. But as an affiliate marketer, be original. There are thousands of ways to skin a cat, as they say. If you are original, you provide a little bit of originality, you can grow a successful business. And I want to throw in a bonus idea here is don't focus on vanity metrics. One of the things that I see in a lot of Facebook groups is people want to get 100,000 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers, whatever it may be. Vanity metrics aren't going to help you make money. For example, some of these people will have hundreds of thousands of followers or subscribers, but they're struggling to make $5,000 every single month. What you want to make sure that you're doing instead is you want to make sure that you are focusing on quality content and solving problems, because the person that solves problems are the ones that are making money. The people that are copycats, the people that are focusing on the wrong numbers, are the ones that are not making any money. So that's a bonus one I just want to throw in there. Another strategy, another problem that a lot of affiliate marketers run into is simply watching YouTube videos over and over again. What happens, and I was guilty of this, in fact, I spent a year doing this, is I would go and watch a video. I would watch a video from Nathan Lucas, okay? He is, I think he has over 100,000 subscribers at this point, freedom influencer. And instead of going out and just creating content, I'd go and watch another video and another video, trying to find that magic bullet, trying to find the secret sauce. And here's a pro tip for you. There are no magic solutions. There's no magic bullet. There's no secret sauce. You just need to go out and create content and figure out what works best for you. So what I did is I'd watch all of these videos. If we scroll back maybe 2, 3, 4 years ago, I'd watch all these videos. I'd spend time trying to figure out how he was successful, what he was doing that was different. And instead of just going out and creating my own content and learning from the metrics, learning from watch time, learning from view duration, things like that, I got stuck in this cycle of watching his videos and other people's videos. And so what I encourage you to do after you watch this entire video, of course, is to stop watching videos and go out and take action. Go out and create a piece of content, create 10 pieces of content on your preferred platform, whether it's TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and see what happens. That is going to be the only way that you learn for sure if you are going to make money. It's not by watching all of these videos, and this isn't to discredit or disrespect Nathan Lucas, because he did an incredible job. It's just that I want to emphasize that I was in the exact same boat where I would just watch all of these videos instead of going out and creating content and taking action. Here's another bonus tip that I have for you is stop buying shortcut solutions. And what I mean by that, there are tons of products out there. I get them emailed to my inbox every day that are promising you a shortcut to getting XYZ done. They're telling you that you can make $1,000 per day in affiliate commissions and, without any of the work, a shortcut. In my experience, because I've purchased a bunch of them, again, when I was in the consumer stage, these products often don't work. They're going to take your money and they're going to waste your time. I've purchased tons of things, and these aren't courses. These are like quick fixes, shortcuts. There are entire websites that are dedicated to this product. I don't want to call the product out exactly, but there are there's these quote unquote softwares out there that are claiming that are going to do it all for you, and in most cases, it's recycled content. It's recycled. It's not good for you. It's just going to waste your time. So go out and do your own work, do your own legwork, and figure out what works best for you. That was a quick bonus one that I wanted to throw in there. And the final one that I wanted to throw out there is trying to be perfect. One thing that held me back for a long time was worrying about how my background looked, how I sounded, my speech, stuttering and slurring, and all of the things that I'm sure that you've heard throughout this video. None of that matters. What matters is that you go out and create content. No content, no piece of content is going to be perfect. What is going to be perfect is the commissions that you earn whenever you create content. You go out there and you create content to help solve a problem. It won't matter how you sound. It won't matter how you look. It won't matter, what you wear, any of that stuff. What matters is that you create content. So quickly to review, what I have on here is spraying and praying, promoting to friends and family, poor or no keyword research, promoting just links, being unoriginal, watching YouTube, and trying to be perfect, in addition to the 2 bonus ones. Now that you know the 9 different mistakes that most affiliate marketers make, click the first link in the description for my free Unemployee Handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.